Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn on compact mode in the message display on Discord for PC, thanks to the latest update. If you're looking to optimize your chat experience, compact mode can help streamline your messages for a cleaner look. Let's dive into the steps. First, go ahead and open Discord. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can get started. Once Discord is open, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon will take you to the user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the user settings menu, you'll see a lot of options on the left. Next, click on Appearance. This section lets you customize the way Discord looks and feels for you. After clicking on Appearance, scroll down until you find the section labeled Message Display. This is where you'll find options to adjust how your messages are shown in the chat. Finally, in the Message Display section, you'll see different options including Cozy and Compact. To activate compact mode, simply select Compact. This will immediately change the way your messages are displayed, giving you a more streamlined, minimalistic look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled compact mode in Discord. Enjoy the tidier message display, making it easier to focus on your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.